Hello everyone, this is a short video showing you several important things on replacing the spark plugs on 2019 Forester. Okay, there are four spark plugs on this 20.5 liter engine. So, two on the passenger side and two on the driver side. For the two on the passenger side, you can just take off this air intake hose, and you can see them there, and the space is enough and you can easily access them. For the two on the driver side, you may need to take off the battery and also the this rack for the harnesses, and these two, the space there are much smaller. For the front one is not so difficult, but for the rear one, that one is the most difficult one, because there's hardly any space for putting your hand there. There are a couple of difficult things. The first one is you need to use an exact length extension bar to access the spark plug. Either too long or too short, doesn't work. And also the second difficult thing is after you remove the screw on the ignition coil, because there is a part of a thing like a rubber hose, attached to the ignition coil, that thing will be really difficult to take it out. Okay, now I show you how I pull that ignition coil out. It's let's use this to simulate that procedure. It's like this. The ignition coil, the cord is on this side, and this is the ignition coil. So you need to do it this way first. Push the cord down first, and then push it this way. This was the only way I can take it out. And then take it out slowly and pull out. You need to bend the rubber hose and pull it out, and then you can get access to the old spark plug and put the new spark plug in. Okay, these are the spark plugs I bought. I bought it from Canada. Now you can find them in Canada, and they are the same ones as the old ones. Okay, so after you install all the spark plugs, don't forget to tighten them to the correct torque. And yeah, okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put comments under this video. Thank you.